Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I will be putting up a split screen of the polls that I did for Facebook and Instagram, and you guys ruled that I should do an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to be using e.l.f. and this is just like a pot. And then I'm gonna go in with a duo brush, which has a spoolie and also a flat angle brush. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a little bit of that product, just a little, and then I'm just going to wipe off the excess on the corners. Now that the angle brush is fully coated, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna get up close. All right, y'all. Let me tie my braids back. Like literally tie them back. Okay, so I tied my braids back. So what I'm going to do is brush my hairs up. Just like that. And then with the angle brush, I'm just going to start underlining my natural eyebrow. So after I draw that line, I'm basically just going to blend it up into my eyebrow, just to fill it in just a tad bit. So I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more of that product, and what I'm going to do is just lightly make the line a little bit darker. You gotta make sure that you have a light hand because you don't want to go too dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the line, and then I'm just going to blend it up very lightly to line up the top. So like I said, apply with a light hand and then just start drawing the line. Very light pressure, and now I'm going to fill in the gaps. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a clean cotton ball, and what I like to do is I just like to wipe the excess off of the product, and I like to go back in, and I kind of like to just blend it with a clean angled brush. And of course, like if you're just starting out with your eyebrows, like, you know, you just gotta experiment, keep practicing. You're gonna know what type of brow shape you like, because some people go within their natural eyebrows, which is like me, and then there's others that like to transform their eyebrow that's like completely the opposite. So yeah. Ooh, that looks good. I like it. Okay, that was very, very natural. Wow. Okay, so do you guys see the difference? Oh, and also before I added pomade, I did add a thin layer of Aquaphor just to lay my hair. The same thing on this side. I'm just going to brush the hair up, and I'm just going to line it. So again, after I draw that line, I'm just gradually blending that in with my natural hairs. So just like that. You gotta just like make sure that they are even Okay, so this one turned out really good, but this one, you're gonna have an eyebrow that turns out like not good, but that's when the concealer comes in. So right about now, like I'm going to try to like blend these lines out. I don't want to do it too much to where it loses the definition. So enough playing with my eyebrows, so I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up. And this is where the difference comes. So I'm gonna go use my BB cream in 120. I'm just going to use a flat brush. So I have the BB cream right here. I use it as concealer, but yeah, so I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and I'm just going to outline and clean up my brow. And then I'm just gonna go put all the BB cream over my lid, because usually once I'm done doing my eyebrows, I will add some eyeshadow and this will act as my primer. So now, after I add that, I'm going to go in with my beauty blender on the flat side and I'm just going to blend that BB cream. I'm using a dry sponge. I did not damp it. You can damp it. I prefer not to damp it. I just like it to just blend in. All right, so now on the other side. So this eyebrow already looked good, but it's more so this. You'll definitely see that, you know, I messed up here. It's a little smudged, but it's okay because I'm gonna show you that when you use concealer, concealer is what actually helps you shape it better. So I'm just gonna start out in the beginning of my brow and I'm doing light strokes all the way up to that line. And I'm just gonna do the same throughout the whole eyebrow, all the way to the tail. And then what I do is I bring it down to my lids. You see how it cleaned it up? So here's my little tip. I will say this, because after I do concealer, the eyebrow on the bottom loses the definition. So what I like to do is I like to grab a little bit of product, sometimes no product, just depending if I have a lot of leftover product. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lightly reshade that line. It's very easy. This is how I do them. So to achieve this look with my eyebrows, I use the brow cream by ELF, and then also I used a flat brush to clean up my eyebrows, and then also I used a duo, so it's a spoolie on the end and then a flat angled brush. Lastly, to clean up my eyebrows, I use this BB cream in 120. So yeah, this is how I do my eyebrows. Most likely, I usually just add like a pop of color. Let's do that now. All right, y'all. So lately, for highlighter, I have really been feeling the ColourPop palette, the I Think I Love You palette, and there's this champagne gold that I am just in love with. Like, this is their yellow gold, but this is like their champagne gold, and I just love it. It looks so good with my skin. So I'm just going to show you how I would place it on my eyebrow. After it's cleaned up, I grab a pencil brush, a flat brush, any brush that I could use at the moment, and I just add that. Just like that. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but this shade is so pretty and it really blends with my skin real well. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like this. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.